We're going to be covering the selection tools in this Illustrator tutorial. The selection tools are located in the toolbar on the left side. They are up on the very top, and the selection tools are pretty much the same as in InDesign. You have the selection tool, direct selection tool. If you hold it down, you also have the group selection tool. Then you have the magic wand tool and the lasso tool. So the selection tool and direct selection tool are the same, but let's look at the group selection tool. So what I'm going to first do is create 3 different objects and then go up to the selection tool. I select the first one, hold down shift, and select the second one. These 2 objects are now selected together. If I right click, a new menu pops up and I can hit group. So now these 2 objects are selected together. If I deselect them, select again, and then select a third holding shift, now all 3 I can group together by right clicking and hit group. Now if I deselect, go up and use the group selection tool. If I click once, it'll select the first one of the group. If I click twice, it'll select the second inclusion of the group. And if I click a third time, it'll select the third part of the group. So this is really nice when you have a lot of objects and you want to group them together. You can select specific groups and work together through that. Another thing you can do is the magic wand. So before we do that, let's create a few different objects. The first one, I'm doing a rectangle from the drawing panel. Then I'm going to use the paintbrush tool and just create some strokes. What the magic wand tool does is it selects objects that are the same. So if I click once on a path for the rectangle tool, it'll select everything that's a shape tool. If I click once on one of the paths for the paintbrush, it'll select all of the paintbrush. And at the same time, if I have the paintbrush selected and hold down shift, it'll add whatever else I select other objects and add it together. Finally, I'm going to deselect them. You have the lasso tool. With this, you can select, it's freeform, so you can select individual anchor points. And if I hit delete, it'll erase those points. Or if I wanted to, I can select entire groups or entire objects.